This dough has been in the fridge 5 days. Still perfect. Look. Nice. We don't want to make it too big because it has to fit into this cast iron pan. For the sauce, we need garlic. Heaping tablespoon and some pickle juice. And the topping. Get everything ready now because we're going to build the pizza in the cast iron pan. The cast iron pan warming up. Put a bit of oil in there, and this is a good chance to season the crust even more. We have this potato topping seasoning, and it's actually really nice. All right. Yes, made it a little big so I can push down the sides. And the pickles. Try not to overcrowd it too much because it's a thick dough, and if you crowd it too much, it won't cook properly. Yeah, 2 pickles is just perfect. That's more cheese than we normally do, but that's okay. And now we let that cook in here for at least 3 minutes before we put it in the oven. So it's been actually 6 minutes. The sides are bubbling and the bottom's getting some color. Now it can go in the oven. See, it's been 11 minutes. Yeah, that looks great. Yeah. Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at that nice airy crust. And the bottom, nice color. Seasoning. Yeah. That sounds good. That's a good pizza. Thank you, Serena, for the recipe. She was the one that introduced us to this.